JAMB Economics 2012 past question number 9. We have a graph given to us, price and quantity, 50, 70 for price and 500, 400 for quantity. They say from the table above, calculate the price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is equals to percentage change in price over percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price, which is equals to get it percentage change in quantity demanded, we have to say it's equals to 500 minus 400, which is over 500, so which is equals to 100 over 500 times 100 over 1, which is equals to 20%. That is to say that we have change in quantity demanded over old quantity demanded times 100 over 1. Now to do for percentage change in price, which is going to be equals to change in price over old price times 100 over 1, which is equals to 70 minus 50 over 50 times 100 over 1, which is equals to 20 over 50 times 100 over 1, which is equals to 40%. So therefore, price elasticity of demand is equals to 20% over 40% times 100 over 1, which is equals to 0.5. Option D is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.